bought this VZ nearly 10 years ago. Honestly, it's been a beautiful car. Hasn't missed a beat. People complain and whinge about the engine and timing chains on these things. Never had one problem because I service it properly. And I believe the LY7 is an inferior engine to the Leo. This is a Leo. Has a better timing chain. It's thicker. They made the timing chains weaker when they went to the LY7. And they changed it for European emissions or something like that. And made it so weak. This thing here's been a beauty.